Welcome to Bedtime Stories. The Lion and the Mouse, a very short moral story. One day, a lion was enjoying his nap under the tree. A mouse was playing nearby and soon began to run up and run down on him. Suddenly the lion woke up with a roar and grabbed the mouse. The mouse begged the lion, "Please let me go. I will save your life one day." The lion laughed at the mouse idea and freed the mouse. A few days later, the lion was caught in the hunter's net. He roared in pain. The mouse hid the lion and came to help him. The lion was soon free from his trap. Moral of the story is, kindness is always rewarded. Thanks for watching.